Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gretchen Amone. So today we were gonna make a paper squishy. So I think I'm gonna show you my all paper squishies I made now. Okay, I'm gonna show you here at this bag. Oh, here at this little beauty bag, and in here at this in my pouch. It's looks like a baby pouch. Okay, let's go open first this. Okay, so I have usually this a this squishy, but it's real. I made it too using the my pens, my old pens, and I colored to it, and I made it using a foam. Yes, I using a foam. It's using a foam. I decorate it using my ball pens and the foam. I cut the phones in the shell, look like this, but it's so hard to make this and this. And I have named this, I have a stickers that her name is Squishy Delish. So I put at the back of the squishy because it's a squishy. So I put in the name, so it's a paper squishy. So it's a Squishy Delish. I like this. I need to make it more again, but I don't have any foams. So you will need to get something. My bag folds. Oh, this is my new paper squishies. This is the paper squishy. I made it now. It's a heart that my name Creya. And next, here's the front. Here's the front and here's the back. So very squishy. I like it. So I got more squishies in here, but I don't know how many it is because it's 100 plus. I don't know, it's 130, it's 300, but it's 100 plus. Okay, I have here iPhone 11 Pro Max squishy. Here's her back, the name iPhone, and here's her front. So we got these three. This is my new 3 paper squishies. Next, this is my old paper squishies. Look like this is a cutest one. Look like a waffle. And here's the back and here's the front. So very squishy. And here is the 24 and 8, the number of copies dressed here. Kobe and Gigi Bryant, because I missed them. Let's put in the basket all of my stuffs. So guys, let's make together a new paper squishy. So I have in here a lot of stuff. So I have here my scissors, it's too long, and I have here my stapler because we don't have any scotch tapes, and of course this crayons. We need this. Of course, this is important. What we need, it's a cotton. And next we need a bond paper so we can make it in here. So let's go start it. Okay, first what we need is a bond paper. We need to cut it half. Look like a half bond paper. So let's cut. So first we need to fold it. And let's cut it now. Okay. So I got it now. And next we need to fold it again right here. And let's cut it. So let's make a chocolate paper squishy. Here it is done. Let's cut it in half again. Look like, because the chocolate look like it's like this. Like this. So we need to cut it again in the between. Ever between chosa, between chosa. 안녕하세요. Okay. Here it is. So I cut it by 2. So I cut it to look like in my cheeks, like. So, okay. So you can see my background. It's so very dirty because I'm here and there is my baby still sleeping at their room. Don't look. I need to design to it. It's gonna be beautiful. Like they're sleeping. They have a teddy bear and that's my baby life, girl and boy. So it's in my room. It's a beautiful there because I have there more lots of baby lives. I got 10 baby lives. I got 5 girls and 5 boys. I got 5 girls and 5 boys. I want more baby lives. But I got 10. Okay, here is now. So let's go. Need to design it like a chocolate, but we need to design it. My favorite color look like a gray with a gray and a red. So let's put the heart look like a chocolate. Joke. So let's go get the gray color here, gray and a red. So here's the red. We need to color it to our lips. Joke. We need to color. Oh my god. It's falling down. Ah, my stand. Need to get it. It's falling. Okay, so I have here now my gray and my red color. That's my mama's picture of her windows. Windows. Picture of her dress. But she didn't have any dress. She finished all of her dress put in my room. She put all of her dress in my room. So let's go start it. So first we need to put a heart and let's color the heart red. Speed. Oh my god. So cute. Because I'm here in my aircon. This is my aircon. It's so big. So after this I can show I can have to show you my aircon. The brand of my aircon is Try guys, what's that I said? What's that? Comment down below if you know what is that. So you got perfect. You got 10 points. If you're gonna be comment only, you are only 1. So I can write the answer in down. So if you are correct, so you got a point to me. So I'm gonna send you. What's your price? Joke, you hell not having price because we are not rich. We are poor. Look at our house, but they got third floor. I'm here at the second floor in my mama's room. In the third room, here's my room. Full of toys, full of 10 baby alives, 100 pick me pops, and 2,000 squishies. That's a prank to you. That's not 100 plus. It's 2,000 paper squishies. This is my mama's room. It's dirty because they cannot clean all day. Oh my gosh. How do I do? How do I do supposed to do? How do I do supposed to do? Because now, guys, it's boring because we don't need to go outside because having COVID-19. Wow, I will have a school today. I want no school. Joke, I don't want no school. It's boring in here. And a video, and a TikTok, and a TikTok, and a TikTok, and a YouTube, and a YouTube, and a YouTube, and a viral, and a viral, and a viral, and a sing, and a sing, and a sing. Play a baby alive. Oh my gosh. End. So I gonna send you how many my really baby alives and my paper squishies, and I have a slime, and I have more toys, all in the Toys R Us. One of their toys I buy, but only the baby lives I like. So I said to my mama, Mama, please we can both 10 baby lives. So she bought me 10 baby lives, 5 boys and 5 girls. Next, I said to him, because I see the Pick Me Pops. So my mama's, I said to my mama, Mama, you can both me 100 Pick Me Pops, please. So she get the 100 Pick Me Pops. And next, I see a slime, so very good. And I bought 20 slimes. So I played in the house, but it's in the up. I don't want to go upstairs because I'm videoing in here. So my video will gonna crack and crack and crack and just stupid and stupid and stupid. So let's go put in the stapler on. So here's the art I made. It's a gray in here and a red in the inside of the heart. Heart. So I'm 20%. Oh my gosh. I've been a long time. Wake up. Okay. So I need just tape. Just tape. Just tape. Just tape. Oh, and then my mama bought me 150 LOL. 150 LOL surprise. And she bought me a cars. Look like you can ride inside the cars. Yeah. You can. You free can ride in the car. So my mama bought me 5 cars. Yeah, I want it. I got a Barbie. I got Frozen 2 characters or the stickers in my cars, and it's a my first car, it's a princess, and next my second car is the Frozen 2, and next my third car, because it's a 5 car only, and my third car is Rapunzel, and in my fourth car look like fire And my fifth car, because this is I want. This is my full I want. This is a slime and a paper and I mean that's not paper squishy. And I mean that's a squishy car. I got full of my car. Half of my car's in here. The door one that's the slimes kit. So I put there my slimes. And next the second door, because it's a third door. It's third door. My slimes, my squishies, and me. So my squishy I put in the second door, and the third door is me. I put myself on it. So I ride and I get my cars. I get my cars outside, but not outside. It's gonna be go outside in the ground or in my playground. So let's go tape. Oh my god, I'm excited to play my new toys. My mama bought me another because I told him, Mama, you can buy me something new toys, please. So she bought me. She texted me, what do you want? So I text to him, I want I want some cars again because I love to ride in a cars, and some makeup set. That's so very hard. We are not rich, but we have. My mama is rich. We are poor in real, but my mom is rich. So I'm filling up the cotton side here. I'm filling because I finished to stapler the. When have you tell me I'm pretty? This in a hunger, really? It's me, your heart was patter. Please comment down below. Who is your like in the TikTok? Charlie D'Amelio or Dexy D'Amelio or in Dakar or Ariana Grande, because I mean Yassi Pressman, because Yassi Pressman is TikToking too. So if you like him, please comment down below. And if you like Addison Rae, Dexy D'Amelio or Charlie D'Amelio, both of three of them or all of them, Charlie D'Amelio, Dexy D'Amelio, that's a Charlie D'Amelio. Charlie D'Amelio have a 2.7 billion like. Yes, she got billion like. Next, if you like Yan Yan I mean, I'm sorry because my voice is not so loud. So if you like Dexy D'Amelio, Charlie D'Amelio, or Addison Rae, if you like both of three of them, so you can put Team A. Team A is Addison Rae, Charlie D'Amelio, and Dexy D'Amelio. And next, Team B is only Yan Yan de la Cruz and Vice Ganda. If you like Vice Ganda, because Vice Ganda is TikToking too. If you like Yan Yan de la Cruz and Vice Ganda, please comment down below. It's a letter B. Team B. Team A, Charlie D'Amelio, Dexy D'Amelio, and Addison Rae. Team B, Yan Yan de la Cruz and Vice Ganda. Team C, this is the hardest one. If you like Yassi Pressman or if you like I think so. That's only the letter C team is only Yasi Pressman. I don't think about any characters in the TikTok. I think you both Yasi Pressman because it's C. Please comment down below who you like. If you like Yan Yan de la Cruz, it's million only. Wait, I can send to you all of their likes. Charlie D'Amelio likes Team A. All of their likes is so very more, and their followers more than me. Only my followers is 27. Charlie D'Amelio is how many there? It's a million likes. No, she got 3. Comment down below. What? If you like Team A or Team B or Team C, please comment down below. If you like Team C, please comment down below for Yasi Pressman, and for Team B for Yan Yan de la Cruz and for Vice Ganda, and for Team A for Charlie D'Amelio, for Dexy D'Amelio, and for Addison Rae. If you like it. If you like Team A, B, or C. The Team A is 3. The Team B is 2. And the Team C is 1. 3, 2, 1. We going on a trip. It could maybe I can strip. Feeling through the sky. Little life wild. Okay. So we need to make and comment down below what do you want cell phone. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Letter A, Team A, iPhone 11 Pro Max. Team B, Samsung. Or Team C, Vivo. My phone is iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is usually my phone. But I put in my name is Daryl Amonay. But that my papa's name. That's not her real phone. That's my phone because I put her name because I love him. Usually I love him. And I miss my friend Giselle. I think he can like this my video. Please Giselle, if you can see this, I miss you. I miss you, really, really miss you. But she's not here. I miss him. She's my literally friend. She's my cutest friend. We got both of dress. She got Mickey Mouse dress. So I have Mickey Mouse dress too. And she got her Hello Kitty dress, so I've got Hello Kitty dress too. Yellow color, she got yellow color too. We vote chubby. And we vote size. Her mommy said to me, we look like 2 sisters or twins, but we don't have the same face. But I don't know what's her mommy said. So guys, it's finished. Here it is. Look like that is a heart with her. There's a front and there's a back. I miss my friend. I'm gonna give him to him if he will gonna come here at her old house because their new house into the Sita di Cincha. No, it's not in the Sita di Cincha. Not in Sita di Cincha. I think in Bara. Bara. Yes, Bara. There's their new house in the Bara. Here it is. Look like a pillow. So smooth. So guys, let's put in our mini stuffs here. Just like a pillow. And this mini one, a waffle one, and this Coven Beauty dress. It's from Mini. And for the biggest, this is a wallet. Squishy, and I can never become a squishy. Let's make another one. So I've been gotten here. So let's make a plain one. Like we need a plain. We don't have any colors or any designs, but it's only a white. It's a joke. It's so gonna be smaller when it's made. So let's go. This is always a mini. All of these are mini. I made here, all of this is mini. Okay. So here. So come back to my next video. I'm gonna show you my baby alives. Here, only here at the down, not in the up, because they're messed in the up. That's in my room. In my room is silver mess, and I got a Barbie in there. I can hear your deceit. Guys, sorry of this. It's look like two. I'm not bad, I'm good. That's Shirley too, but I like this. This too. Sorry that my finger. Shh. That's so bad finger. I can hear your deceit. So guys, I'm finishing, but I cannot open. I cannot hear your deceit. Wait guys. You cannot feel my body, my face. I'm zooming it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So guys, I hope you like this, and don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. Mimi. clothing. Let's put in our bag. Of course, that's my boy. Let's go stamp my hair. Oh my god. Thanks, God. Okay. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe and please click the bell button and please like this videos if you like this video, so you can put a big thumbs up and you can click the bell button and subscribe. Bye. See you to my next video.